Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your music profile name or username on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the Apple Music app. Next, tap on Listen Now tab at the bottom, and then tap on the profile icon at the top corner here. In the account page, tap on View Profile, then tap on Edit, and in the name here, you can change your profile name. So I'm just going to go all the way to the end and delete that. Here you can also change your profile name as well. And then you can choose who can follow your activity. You can select everyone or people you approve. And then that's it. Tap on Done. So here, tap on Done. And that is how you can change your Apple Music profile name or the username on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.